Check out what I just got, guys. "21-inch high lift blade for my Eagle lawnmower, my self-propelled." Let's unbox it. This is how it comes. It's got a bit of an angle to it, if you see that. You can see that. I don't see too much of a lift on there. Not as much as I would like, but we're gonna do some testing and see how it works. Maybe I'll turn this into a mulching blade. I'll do a couple cuts right here. And then turn them so I can cut. Nah, I don't know if I'll do that. But that's an idea for some of you guys out there that want to do are heavy into DIY. You don't want to wait for Ego to make a mulching blade. Just buy one of these, cut them up, turn them, or the other way, however you turn them, sharpen them up, got a mulching blade. But there it is. I'm going to be testing it out. Stay tuned. Make sure to comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the blade, any suggestions, if I should balance it or if I should sharpen it before I put it on there. Let me know. Like I said, comment, share, subscribe, and like. We'll see you on the next video, guys.